Welcome to SKBI Academy. In this lecture, we will learn how to install the Power BI desktop. To install Power BI desktop, we have two options. First one, you can install the Power BI desktop by clicking on the Microsoft site and then downloading the Power BI. Another way of installing the Power BI is you can go to the uh, Microsoft Store, and from there you can just type Microsoft Power BI and you can install that application. So installing the Power BI desktop through the Microsoft Store is the easiest way, where you just need to click on the go to the store and install the Power BI desktop. Today we will look at the uh, how to install the Power BI desktop through the by downloading the .exe file from the Microsoft and then installing it. So you need to type download Power BI so that it will be at the top only. Okay, so you can install it from the store also. So it's giving you the option here, install on Windows. So like this, and another way is installing from the Microsoft site. So go to the microsoft.com and then downloads and details. So here is the uh, Power BI desktop.exe file. So before installing the Power BI desktop, there are some system requirements for installing it. So that you need to take care. Okay, the systems which are after the Windows 10, the PCs who are having the operating systems after Windows 10 are only supported. So Windows 10, 11, then Windows Server 16, and then Windows Server 19 are supported. XP and then Vista or the previous OS are not supported. Okay, so that you need to keep in mind. And you can install either a 32-bit version or a 64-bit version of the Power BI desktop. It depends on your PC OS, which OS you installed. Okay, so if you install the 32-bit OS on your system, so install the 32-bit Power BI desktop version. Okay, so you just need to click on the downloads, and here it will give you the option of installing. So I will click on the 64-bit. Most of the systems are 64-bit now. So we'll click on that. And just will click on download. So it will take some time. Uh, it is of around 800 MB. So let's meet after some time.
So now we downloaded the Power BI desktop file, that is .exe file. So we have to install this file, Power BI desktop thing. So you just need to double click on this file so that it will open, and then just you need to press the next things. So as you press the next, so it will go further, and it will the Power BI desktop will get installed to your machine. So now it's preparing for the installation. It can take some time. So it's computing requirement on all the steps. Now the setup will get installed. So you need to press the next, and then accept the terms and conditions. As you install the other softwares, just like that, you need to install the things. So just click on the next so that it will get installed. If it's taking time, just let it complete. Okay, don't close or don't click on the cancel button. So it will get installed. So now it's getting installed. So after installation, so as I mentioned earlier also, this one is we downloaded it from the Microsoft site, and then we are installing this just installing the .exe file. And another way of installing the Power BI is just going to the store, Microsoft Store, and from there also you can get the Power BI. Once you are at the store, just you need to type the Microsoft Power BI, and over there the apps will be populated, and you need to choose that thing and just install this. It will both the things are same.
Now Power BI Desktop is installed on your machine. You just need to double click on Power BI Desktop icon, and from Power BI Desktop application will open, and from here onwards you can double click on that icon, and then you can get the data in the Power BI, and then you can work on the Power BI. So that's it for this lecture. Let's meet in the another lecture. Keep learning and keep focusing on Power BI. Learn the Power BI to power up your career. See you in next lecture.